Hala,
Baby boy,
biglang
ha?
nagwala ang girls nang lumapit ka dito. O sige, pakita mo nga mga girls natin. Akin na yung mikropono mo. Good luck, Gabriel. Okay. Ang lupit mo, bro, ah. Gabriel, bakit sa tingin mo kailangan ikaw ang iboto?
Kasi girls, naniniwala ako sa kasabihang don't judge a book by its cover at ngayon, bubuksan ko ang pages ko at sana magustuhan niyo.
Girls, it's time to vote. Congratulations!
Meron siyang potensyal para maging isang member ng Pinoy Boy Band.
Hey, Gabriel.
Ay po.
Sabi mo kanina, don't judge a book by its cover. Sabi mo sa line mo,
Oo po.
ang ganda ng cover mo. You look good.
Thank you po.
Magaling ka, magaling ka. Ganda ng pinakita mong sayaw. O ngayon, I'm sure excited na lahat. Marinig kang kumanta. So let's hear you sing.
When I saw a girl that's alive, she was warm, she came around, she was dignified. She showed me what it was to cry. You couldn't be that girl I adore. You don't seem to know or seem to care what your heart is for. But I don't know her anymore. There's nothing left. I used to cry. Inspiration has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's fine at all. You're a little late. I'm already told.
All right,
Thank you!
Gabriel.
Thank you po.
May boses, meron na. Madali na yung ipapolish na lang yan.
Thank you
Di
po.
ba? Tsaka bata, ang bongga dito bata, masarap i-develop, mahaba pa yung lalakbayin. Parang Daniel Padilla levels nga. Talent, gwapo, tapos yung pangalan mo pang artista, di pasabert.
Gabriel, ang lakas ng tilian nung lumabas ka. Gwapo ka. Magaling ka
Thank you po.
sumayaw. Okay rin yung voice quality mo. So parang perfect ka para sa boy band.
Mas malakas yung dating mo, sumayaw kaysa kumanta. Parang nawala yung charm na nakita ko doon sa labas nung pumasok ka dito.
You can dance. Ang galing mong sumayaw. Cute ka. Gustong-gusto ka ng mga babae. The fact na nakapasok ka na rito, panalo ka na. Malaking bagay na yon. So let's take a vote.
Yes ako.
Thank you po.
Pang boy band yan.
Kailangan ng magaling na dancer sa isang boy band. So, yes ako.
Yan.
Gabriel, katulad na sinabi ko, nawala talaga yung charm mo nung pumasok ka. Pakiramdam ko nadala ka ng kaba. Pero alam mo, naniniwala ko na you're a gem na kailangan lang i-polish at kikinang ka. So, yes!
Yeah! You got 3 yeses. I'll give you a yes. Congratulations, Gabriel. Welcome to Pinoy Boy Band Superstar. Congratulations!
Guwapo!
Congrats, ha?